Absolutely. So we look at about 3 to 5% of our portfolio to be in cryptocurrency originally. So when I started recommending it back in 2020, we were buying XRP at 25 cents. And I'd say, okay, just do a little bit, just do $100, just try it. And so we would kind of have people tiptoe in. And then I said, okay, now we can do 3% of your investable assets. Let's look at that. And now, then we moved up to 5%. And then what happened was it started growing so much, we're almost up 10x from where we started investing, that has become more of people's portfolios. And so they're more comfortable with it. They like the returns that it gives. And we joke that, one day in crypto is a year in the stock market, right? Because the S&P 500, it took a year to get a 24% return last year in the S&P 500. That's a day in crypto, right? We know that crypto can
Yes.
in one day or a week, whatever, but it's so volatile. But we also know that we're just in the first inning with crypto. And so we believe that we are basically going to be moving all of traditional finance onto this blockchain platform in the future. And we think that XRP and the XRP ledger have a big role in that. And so that's why that is our predominant crypto choice. But we think we're still so early that the wealth building potential is better and bigger than anything I've ever seen in my years in financial services. It's the most exciting opportunity, which is not only looking forward, but looking at actually what's already happened. So when I wrote my crypto book, Three Steps to Quantum Wealth, it was because I'd never seen compounding returns like we've seen in crypto. And of course, Bitcoin being the first, it had, the best track record of any asset class ever in history. And since then, we've had, a lot of other cryptos come after Bitcoin, and some of those have had stronger performance numbers. But these numbers are so much bigger and stronger average annual returns than you see in stocks or real estate or even private equity. It's really exciting because this is a unique wealth building opportunity that I think is going to continue into the future. But what it's done already is just spectacular. I mean, people don't realize in 2017, $100 invested in XRP became $45,000 because XRP at that time was 0.006. And then it became $3.85 that year at the peak. So, I mean,
Mm.
we've never seen wealth building opportunities like this. And that's why it's so different and so worthwhile for people to deal with the long learning curve to learn about crypto, because it is a steep learning curve. But once they find out about it, then they get excited. Once they're in it and invested in it for a while, then they love it and they actually enjoy it more than their stocks. So